Hi, and welcome to another Blender how-to video. So in this one, we're just going to show you how to change the cameras um, from the camera's lens from orthographic to perspective. But first, how do you change your view from perspective to orthographic? It's 4 or 7. 7 for orthographic, 4 for perspective. All right. And then for camera, press 0 so you get your camera view first. Then go to the camera, select it. Go to camera properties down here, or object data properties, and go to the lens. And the type, you can switch between perspective, orthographic, or panoramic, and we're usually just going to stick with these two. So depending on your final render, this is really important. It'll just give you that little extra oomph or make things look better in general. So if you go to perspective, we can change the focal length like this. Let's see, Shift X, Y, C, depth of field options, like what we don't focus on, like this. It's just you have to play around until you get something you want. There's a lot of options. I'm still not sure how to use the rest, but this is just, how to change from orthographic and perspective lens for your camera. So yeah, hope that helps, and yeah, play around, see what you can do. If I figure something out, make another video. Bye.